Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get Okta QR code. All right. You might want to get the QR code for you to be able to set up your Okta Verify app. Now, where do we get it? In here on your dashboard. Okay. Just go to the top right and click on your profile. Now, go ahead and click on settings. Okay. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can go ahead and go to the right panel right here. And under security method, as you can see here, I do have one. Just don't mind it. You can just go ahead and easily click on setup or set up another. Okay. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, if this is your first time, it will just ask you to enter your password. Okay. So just enter your password and then go ahead and click on setup right here. And as you can see, here we have the QR code. Okay. And that is it. And then here you can just go ahead and follow the simple prompts. And once done, you're good to go. And that's how you get the Okta QR code. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.